Open the machine's back cover. Open the face-up output tray. Push down on the two gray levers until they lock into place. On the front of the machine, open the manual feed slot cover. Slide the paper guides to match the width of the envelope. Put the envelopes in the MP tray with the printing surface face up. Push in until you feel the rollers grab the envelope. Adjust the manual feed slot paper guides. From an application such as Microsoft Word, click the File menu and then select Print. Please note, the available menu options may differ depending on your application. Click Print Options and then click Properties. Please note the available options may differ depending on your application. Select your media type and envelope size. Click Print. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.